Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Do you work?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Why do you learn English?
To improve my communication skills.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I do.
Do you play football?
No, I don't.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
Which phone do you use?
I use an Android phone.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Turkey.
What language do you speak?
I speak Urdu and English.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject.
Which subject is difficult for you?
Mathematics is difficult for me.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
How do you pets?
Yes, I do.
What pet do you have?
I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
Its name is Kitty.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch movies and relax.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy clothes.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is a doctor.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher.
What do you like your life?
Yes, I do.
How do you learn English?
By practicing every day.
How often do you speak English?
I speak English daily.
Who teaches you English?
My teacher teaches me English.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Is English easy or difficult?
It is a little difficult.
What do you do in the morning?
I get ready for school.
What do you do at night?
I study and sleep.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice and chicken.
What are you doing now?
I am learning English.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
Who is your best friend?
Aisha is my best friend.
How long have you studied English?
For 2 years.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family.
What makes you sad?
Losing something important.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
What season do you like?
I like spring.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite fruit.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Potato is my favorite vegetable.
What is your favorite country?
Turkey is my favorite country.
Have you visited another country?
No, I haven't.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Do you like learning new words?
Yes, I do.